guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all how to use a hair growth serum correctly. Hair growth serums are very popular these days in the market, and all the brands that I know have already launched their hair growth serums. If you're experiencing excessive hair fall or hair thinning or any bald spots, if you start seeing maybe on your crown region or elsewhere on your scalp, then you need to start using a hair growth serum because of how useful it is. A hair growth serum will help to reduce your hair fall. It helps to promote new hair growth, and it helps to make your hair more thicker and more voluminous. So it has so many benefits for your hair, but a lot of people don't know how to use a hair growth serum correctly, and that's why they don't get the proper benefits out of it. A lot of people ask me कि hair growth serum को कैसे लगाना है, उसको कितना quantity लगाना है, how much time are you supposed to leave it on, and उसको कब धोना है, etc. So I'm going to be answering all of those questions and showing you the right way of using a hair growth serum in today's video. I'm using the Dermaco Peptide Stem Cell Hair Growth Serum. Now the serum contains 20% actives, which is the highest in the Indian market, and that's why this gives faster and better results than any other hair serum in the Indian market. It's power packed with the duo of peptides and stem cells, and it's got some very powerful ingredients like collagen anapule and anagen, which both help in creating an optimal environment on your scalp for new hair growth. So basically it helps in promoting hair growth. It also has redensil, which helps in improving the hair density and scalp health, thereby making your hair more thicker and more luscious. And the best part is that it's got this very convenient pump packaging, which is very easy to use. I'm just applying one pump of the serum on my scalp, and then with the help of my fingers I'm massaging it until it's completely absorbed. It barely takes any time to get absorbed as it is super lightweight, and it's completely non-sticky and non-oily, and it does not make my hair greasy at all. After applying and massaging it, you need to leave it on for the rest of the day, or if you're using it at night, then you need to leave it on overnight. And in the morning, it's not necessary to rinse it off with water or with shampoo, but if it's your shampoo day, then you can go ahead and shampoo your hair, but ज़रूरी नहीं है इसको wash off करना. I recommend using this twice a day in your morning as well as in your night regime. आप इसको दिन में 2 बार लगा सकते हो. तो suppose if you applied it during the daytime, आपने इसको लगाकर सारा दिन अपने scalp पे छोड़ दिया, रात को आप इसको फिर से लगा सकते हो, and you can leave it on overnight. And the next day, if you don't want to shampoo your hair, it's okay. You can again apply it during the daytime and leave it on for the rest of the day. So that is how you're supposed to use it. There is absolutely no need to rinse this off. But you need to use this hair growth serum twice a day for at least 2 months consistently, regularly, to see visible results. 85% people who use this hair growth serum saw visible new hair growth, so it's a proven solution to grow back your hair. I absolutely love this hair growth serum by the Dermaco, and I highly recommend you try it out too. It helps to reduce hair fall, it promotes hair growth, and it helps to improve your scalp health. So basically it has so many benefits all in one serum. It solves so many hair problems all in one product, and that's the reason why I love it so much. So in case if you want to try it out, then it's available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple, or you can directly shop it from Dermaco's website. Use my code RIA2024 for a 20% off. Every time that you place an order on Dermaco's website, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. So far they have already helped more than 20,000 students across the year, which is such a good deed that Dermaco has done. Moreover, this is fragrance free, so it's not going to bother you. It's not going to leave any fragrance, any smell on your hair. So if you have the problem of hair fall or hair thinning, then do try out this hair growth serum. It's the best in the market, and you will definitely see good results if you use it twice a day for 2 months straight. So yeah, that was my video on how to use a hair growth serum correctly. Even after this, if you still have any doubts, then you can leave them in the comments below. I will definitely answer all of your doubts and help you guys out. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot of reels. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.